Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be taking you on a princess bustier. It's an off-shoulder blouse on with cape, and I'll be using 2 yards of fabric to make this. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you anything. Don't forget we upload both the cutting and the sewing of our tutorial. So if you're watching the cutting, there's need for you to watch the sewing tutorial, and if you're watching the sewing, there's need for you to watch the cutting tutorial. So let's move on to the cutting table. Alright, I'm going to start by first folding the front, and I'll be folding using the bust measurement. That's the highest circumference measurement, because this is the half length of my blouse. Alright, so I need this part to create a design, so I'll be using just this plain part, and it's more like an off shoulder or a two blouse. So I have -5 inches. This is 5 inches. I have 9 inches for the armhole. The under bust is 12 inches. This is 13 plus 1 inch seam allowance. Half length is 15 inches. I have 16 inches. That's 1 inch seam allowance. Now the folded part, I have the bust measurement plus 8 inches divided by 4. That's still the same as your bust divided by 4 plus 2. So bust 32 plus 8 divided by 4 is 10. But here I added extra 2 inches to my folding. I added extra 2 inches. So first I need to hide the 2 inches. I'm just going to measure the 2 inches and I'll hide it. Having done that, the shoulder measurement is 14 inches divided by 2 is 7 inches. This is my 7 inches. I need to subtract 1.5 inches. This is 1.5 inches subtracted from the shoulder measurements, and this is the bust, of course, folded, plus 8 divided by 4, and we have the under bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. So this is my under bust circumference measurement. Here I'm going to create the armhole, then from the bust to the under bust circumference. Now in case you still want to bring down the depth of the neck design, you can always bring that, like maybe 7 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches to your desired measurement. Then you bring it out this way. But I'll be measuring, I want to take 6 inches, just 6 inches. So from the shoulder I'm going to bring it out to the 6 inches. Now this part, I'm not just going to bring it out straight like that. I'm going to curve down to the armhole. So let me bring out the shape so you will understand better. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm going to unfold the 2 inches, and I'll use this to cut out the back. And since I'll be needing my zipper allowance for the back, that's 2 inches added to the back folding as well. So it means I'll just place the front to cut out the back. So just in case you want the same depth as the front, all you just need to do is bring out the same shape you have here. But the back, I'll be using 7 inches. Okay, let me just leave it at 6. Let me just leave it at 6. So I'll bring out the same thing. This is the front and this is the back. I need to slit this. This is the back. I'm still working on the front. still working on the front. Now I'm going to measure out the dart measurement, and that is 3.5 for this measurement, for this size. Yours can be 4 inches. So the 3.5 inches is coming straight to the nipple point, which is the 9 inches. And since this is our armhole, this is our armhole of 9 inches, so I'll bring out the princess dart. The princess dart is coming from the edge, that's from the 6 inches. It's coming down, straight down to the 3.5 inches to create my princess dart. You can still bring it up, you can still bring it higher than this, you can still bring it higher, bringing it like this, or whichever shape you want to give your dress. So from here now, I'm going to take 1.5 inches from the princess dart. The 1.5 inches stops at the under bust measurements. Don't forget, this is our under bust measurement from what we took. This is the under bust, and from the armhole I'm going to take 1 inch. So either this way or from here you take your 1 inch. Alright, so let's take from here. I have my 1 inch. This is my princess dart. This is my 1 inch. Now the 1.5 inches is, this is the, we need to get the nipple points. This is our 9 inches for armhole. This is our under bust, and the measurement either from the shoulder to the nipple point, or from the under bust to the nipple point. You can just get your measurements. This is the nipple point, so the 1.5 inches is coming all the way. I'm going to curve it out to the nipple point. Also the 1 inch is coming to the nipple point as well. So first I'm going to cut out the princess dart. The princess dart first. Okay, so the 1.5 inches, then the 1 inch. So 1 inch to the nipple point, 1.5 to the under bust, then from there to the nipple points. So this is what we have, the front and the back. So we'll move to the flare part of our blouse. Alright, bringing out the flare part of our blouse. This is the full flare I'm cutting out, and the length I'll be needing is just 7 inches. The half length is 15 inches plus 7 inches, that's 22, but here I have 8 inches, 1 inch seam allowance. So this is what I'll be attaching to my blouse. And in case you don't know how to do this, kindly watch how to cut different types of flare. So this is the first step of our flare. The second step is what I'll be cutting now, and the length is just going to be 1 inch difference. So that will be the length of 7 inches. Alright, so I have my two flare, the same full flare. So this is the length of 7 inches, and this is the length of 8 inches. So I'll place this on it. Now the front is going to open, so for that reason I'm just going to curve out this part of the flare. This is going to fall to the front of the dress. Just like this. You can still give it another shape or another design of your choice. Alright, so on the other one as well, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Now the waist measurement is 28 inches, but here I have 31 inches, and the reason for that is I'm going to lap this on each other, but first I need to trace out the shape. Right, let me explain better. This is going to lap on each other while this is coming to stay on it, just like this. The best part of this is going to be shown in the sewing part of this tutorial. As you know, we upload both the cutting and the sewing tutorial separately. So to cut out the sleeve, I have the length of 21 inches here. The normal sleeve length is 19 inches, so I have 21 inches. And to fold, I'm folding using the upper round sleeve, which is 11 inches, divided by 2 is 5.5 inches, plus 3, that's 8.5 inches. So I'm folding 8.5 inches, and first I need to bring down my 4 inches, the 4 inches, then the wrist measurement divided by 2, that is 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, plus 1 inch, I have 5.5 inches. Below the elbow is 10 inches, divided by 2 is 5, plus 1 inch seam allowance, that's 6 inches. Then I have the upper arm, which is 11 divided by 2 is 5.5 inches, plus 1 inch, that's 6.5 inches. So from my 4, I'm bringing it down. Now the round shoulder measurement, that's the round shoulder measurement, is 36 inches. On our blouse already we have 13 to the front and 13 to the back, that is 26 inches, which means we have 10 inches left. We have 10 inches left, so the two sleeves will share the remaining 10, and that will be 5 inches and 5 inches on the other side. So I'm going to add 1 inch to that, that is 3.5 inches, so that from there I can easily bring it down to the armhole. Whatever round shoulder measurement you have, you're going to subtract it from the shoulder measurement you cut out on the blouse in order to get the remaining parts here. So if your round shoulder measurement is 40, for instance, and we took 6.5 folded into 2, that's 6.5, 6.5. By the time we unfold, we'll have a 13. Front is 13, back is 13, that's 26 inches. So it means you have 14 inches left to complete the sleeve measurement, the round shoulder measurements. So from the 14 inches, that means the two sleeves will share 7 inches and 7 inches. So folded into 2, that's 3.5, and you can easily add your seam allowance to cut out the sleeve. So all that I need here is just to cut out the remaining parts, which is just to create a design on the dress. I'm going to use it to form a cape, so that is just going to be a straight material. You can always have a design of your choice. So the concluding part will be done in the sewing tutorial. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button.